welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you to all my new subscribers. So today we're going to be making a beanie, and to start we're going to look for the white needle because the white needle is the 48th needle, and we're going to start casting on in the first needle. Everything is labeled on the machine as well. So once we cast on, we're gonna move really slowly so we do not miss a needle. Alright, let's get cranking. I believe I did approximately 124 rows, but we'll see at the end of the video. Alright, so we're about to start casting off. There are multiple ways of casting off, but specifically for this video, I will be sewing in while it's still connected to the machine and just let it fall off from there rather than cranking it so the project can just automatically fall off. Okay, so now that the project is off the machine, we're gonna stretch it out and we're gonna sew in both ends. Okay, so from here we're going to split the project in half and tuck it in for an extra layer of warmth, and then we are almost done.